Yep, here it is.
I'm very nervous right now still.
How was it?
Terrifying.
Yeah?
Very terrifying. My legs don't want to move right now. I'm so like, oh my god.
You did really good, like, you were really still.
Wow.
You did really good.
Yeah.
You got a tattoo, dude!
Yep. I just did.
You just got a tattoo? Ah! It's exciting. Alright.
Wow. And what is it?
Hmm?
And what is it?
A picture of a vagina.
What? No! No, be honest.
It's what you wanted.
Alright, fine, that's the truth.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye!